I bet you this is the best Isewu delicacy you have ever tasted. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make finger-licking African spicy Isewu delicacy, alright? Stay glued to this video and I will take you guys along. Keep watching. So at the butcher shop, I had already selected 3 best Isewu of my choice, okay? And I'm going to allow the butcher to cut them according to my preferred sizes. So back in my kitchen, I'm going to clean this Isewu thoroughly, okay? To clean this Isewu thoroughly, you would need your clean sponge, you would need some lime or lemon, and you also need good amount of salt. Watch me as I clean this Isewu very well. Drop in the comment section, let me know how you wash your Isewu, okay? Let me know the technique you use to clean your Isewu perfectly, okay? Alright. I also take the teeth part out, okay? You want to clean. Yeah, you don't put that, but that's totally up to you. So after this, I go back to wash this meat, okay? Yeah, you don't want the story that touches the heart, okay? So I make sure I wash all the meat perfectly well. So this is the brain, okay? We're going to wrap this in a foil. Of course, this is going to be handy much later. So here is the outcome of our washed goat head. Alright, so back in the pot, we are going to transfer all this washed meat into the pot. Here I'm going to add all my seasonings, all-purpose seasonings, goat meat seasonings, like every seasonings of your choice, okay? And you want to add minced spices as well. Blended ginger and garlic, chopped onions, fresh thyme and rosemary leaves, and stir well. You're going to take your time and stir this well, like so. Yeah, you want to make sure everything gets together, okay? If you're cooking in a big quantity, you want to make sure you take your time and stir this really well. So after mixing this together, we're going to cover the pot and allow it to simmer. Here we're going to throw in the brain we wrapped earlier, and we're going to allow to cook with our water. Of course, I'm adding water now. Make sure you add the quantity you need. You don't want to add too much water. We're going to cover and allow to cook. So by this time our meat is almost done, and we're going to take out the foil and put that aside. And we're going to stir. We're going to stir this well, okay? Some of the bones are separated and this is normal. And this also shows that the meat is done. This time I'm going to off the gas and we're going to blend our dry prawns. Add palm oil in your pan, add some fresh pepper, then add clean potash. Then mix. Make sure you mix well. Yeah, again, today we have some friends around. And now we are adding dry prawns we blended earlier. As you can see here, a friend of mine who visited with her family, she's helping out. Other families who can't wait to devour this delicacy are also waiting. So now we are adding the mashed brain. And after that, we added some onions, added uziza and Cameroon pepper. And we're going to stir. Added half a cube of nor. I only add salt if I need to, but in this recipe I didn't, because some of the spices I use contain salt, so I don't usually add salt. So again, in this recipe I didn't add salt except the one we used when we were washing the meat, okay? So we are going to go ahead and transfer all the cooked goat head. After that, we're going to combine everything together. You want to make sure you properly mix this. Throw in some onions, some ring onions, and mix. You can always add onions according to your preference. And now we are adding uziza, fresh uziza leaves. And we're going to mix well. So this is it. This is the time to dish out, okay? And this is the final outcome. Honestly, the aroma in my kitchen is just so wonderful. Like, the guests really enjoyed this delicacy. So my lovelies, this is the end of this recipe, okay? And I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. And as well, go ahead and share this video to your friends and families whom I really want to know how to make this recipe, okay? Let me know where you're watching from so that I can give you a hug. Thank you also so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Bye, lovelies.